There's very exciting times right now in the industry because we are seeing this whole rate of change in all areas of our lives. We see that the change on the grid for our utility customers is tremendous, and it really is driven by change behind the meter in the home, by buying electric vehicles, installing solar. And at the same time, the weather, the climate, the grid infrastructure is aging. So now the opportunity with our latest generation of meters is to bring the computing power to the meter in the way of a distributed intelligence or edge intelligence application platform that allows to process data, make decisions, and enable communication into the home, connecting the consumer to the grid, extending visibility, and all kinds of new ways to help utilities manage all this influx of new requirements.
We've partnered with Bidgely to push some applications to the meter to identify when a new EV is connected to the grid or when PV is connected to the grid. So we're already working with Bidgely and our existing customer base to bring that value to them. And there's all kinds of programs the utility is going to want to roll out as customers do purchase EVs or PVs. And I think having all this data, making use of that data is going to drive a lot more value.
The partnership between Itron and Bidgely goes way back. In fact, we have a long-term relationship that started off with the fundamental idea that the data that come from the meter, if they're highly accurate, highly precise, and if they are more frequent, they are the foundation to better insights. And we recently have embedded the Bidgely technology into our latest DI, distributed intelligence applications. So now you can not only detect whether there's a level 2 charger available on a customer premise, but you can actually engage with the consumer and talk about their charging pattern, the time of the charging, the duration of the charging patterns, in order to then make targeted recommendations. There's endless opportunities of engaging the consumer with our joint technologies that would allow the utilities to truly become the trusted advisor for the consumer and really change the consumer-utility relationship. That will allow the consumer, who is now critical to engage with the utilities to extend the life of the grid, to avoid costly grid upgrades. How do you defer these expensive grid upgrades? How do you make this aging infrastructure more reliable? And I think we have a great opportunity to leverage the consumer engagement to take this to a whole new level.